Today we bring this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz back from silence, keeping its shiny white soul alive. We restore this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz as it is, shiny white, patient, honest, and complete. Wow, this is it, the real deal, a 59 Biarritz. Look at the lines on this thing. She's seen better days, but the bones are all here. Incredible.
Look at that chrome, absolutely tells a story. Needs the full treatment, untouched for years.
She's rough. More work than anticipated.
Keep it steady, watching the angle. Slow, slow, just a little more. Okay, we're up. Good job, team.
All right, here it is, the 59 Biarritz. Just found it, still untouched, a true barn find.
Look at this grill, needs some work.
We're strapping it down tight. She's going to the shop. All right, she's here. Lots of work ahead. Welcome to SK Restoration. Today, we begin the methodical teardown of this classic 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz.
All right, first one's off. Let's get these parts organized.
Welcome to SK Restoration, where we bring these beauties back to life. This is our latest project, a 1959 Cadillac Eldorado.
All right, radiator bracket's loose. Careful not to damage that brittle hose. Copy that. Moving slowly.
All right, easy now. Mind the chrome. Got it. Watch your back. Just a little more. We're good. Moving it to the workspace now.
All right, seat base is out. Look at this mess. Lots of trapped dust and plenty of corrosion. Just as we expected. All right, these have been on here for 60 years. Steady now. It's loose. Careful with the wires. Got it. It's off.
Every part is crucial, labeled, and ready for restoration. We are committed to preserving the integrity of this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz.
All right, gently now. Just a little more pressure. Okay, she's coming loose. Carefully. There, we have it. Keep these in order. This is number 1. And number 2 right here. All right, first one's off. Look at those rust halos, tells the story. On to the next one now.
You can see the extent of the damage here. It's pretty significant.
Yeah, that's definitely going to need a full pan replacement.
No saving that. Years of moisture.
We'll cut it out and start fresh.
Curtains.
The brittle liner comes away revealing decades of dust. Look at the rust tracing the seams here. All right, let's take a look at the accessories we've pulled from the 59 Cadillac.
Yeah?
Belts, pulleys, brackets, it's all here, laid out on the bench. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. Needs a good cleaning before the new parts. Nurse. Welcome to SK Restoration. We're celebrating a major milestone today. This 1959 Cadillac Eldorado, every part disassembled and organized. We've completed the teardown on the Biarritz. Next up, the wash.
All right, let's see what's under here. Years of dust. There, that's better. Okay, let's hit this hood hard. Watch that oxidation vanish. Looking good, now for the details. All right, targeting the heavy grease now. Clearer now, keep it on the seams.
Time for the bumper bath. Removing years of grit. All right, time to tackle these floor pans. Got to soak this old grime deep, let it do its work. Looks like it's really reacting now. Just got to work it in carefully. All right, we've got the 59 Eldorado Biarritz here. First step, pre-wash. Protecting the fragile parts, Mr. Cleaner, and a gentle rinse. You really have to be patient with these. This trim is 50 years old.
Yeah.
The old Cadillac paint is just so beautiful underneath, it's worth it. You can see the grime lifting now. These old stains really need a gentle approach to preserve the history. The grease in these hinges can be 50 years old.
Yeah.
But the white underneath is still there.
Yeah.
You see? Just needs a little revival. It's frame mates. All right, here's our 59 Cadillac Biarritz frame. Deep clean, just washing away all this grime. The trunk well of this 59 Caddy is really coming along. The initial rinse and wipe reveal the stamped surfaces beneath. All right, let's get into this chrome pitting. Careful with that edge, it's brittle. I know. Just working the swab in here, looking better. You know, these old parts, they really tell a story. But with a little elbow grease, they can shine again. Yeah. Look at that, good as new. Welcome to the deep cleaning stage of our 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Watch as we reveal the history beneath the grime, getting into the tight spot.
The underside of the hood reveals years of grime. Using a soft bristled brush and soapy water, we'll start lifting the heaviest grease.
You can really see the difference here, right? We're taking years of grime off this classic. All right, let's address the rust mapping.
Yep.
Heavy freckling here, some soft dents along the door,
Yep.
and this deep pit on the fin. We have our work cut out.
Okay, that's it. Now we let the chemical do its work. Okay. Looks like it's starting to neutralize.
That's the right shot as I do.
Keep it slow and controlled. Watch the reflection. Got it. Perfect. The journey to perfection starts with getting back to the basics. And with this 59 Caddy, that means bare metal along the fin. Keep the angle shallow to lay it on smooth, ensuring a seamless transition across that lower panel.
The iconic brow on this 59 Eldorado needed some careful attention. Sanding by hand ensures we remove the rust while preserving the original contours.
The hood, quarter, and door patches are primed and sealed. Looks solid, boss. Ready for base. Welcome back. Today we're focusing on the bodywork of this 59 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, specifically using a guide coat to find hidden imperfections.
All right, let's talk about the heart of it, the metal. This Biarritz is getting the treatment it deserves.
We've got the chrome openings and jams masked here.
Yeah.
Here are the repair zones, sanded and ready. The masking on the tail. The full-size 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is in the rust removal and bodywork stage now. We've sprayed the door inside. The primer ensures a flawless base. Looking good, Skip. We've stripped the paint, addressed every bit of rust, and now she wears her uniform primer, a clean canvas ready for her original white. All right, perfect match, ready to go. Looks good, John. You can see the pure white just flowing along the body, hiding any imperfections. That's a flawless finish. The time has come to bring back the original shiny white. Watch as we restore the grandeur of these fins. The rust removal and bodywork are complete, with the full clear coat now covering every repaired contour and straightened panel. Carbon buildup isn't too bad here. Needs a little more work on the cooling passages. Checking the deck now.
Another brake assembly ready to go. The spring tension is perfect. That's the correct feel.
Welcome to SK Restoration. We're getting ready to install the freshly renewed components back onto this 59 Biarritz. Sure. Look at these pristine parts. This is where precision matters.
All right, here's the steering linkage. We're cleaning these ball joints, lubricating them. The Cadillac is waiting.
That's it, perfect. Just needs this final adjustment. Looks solid, Character A. Absolutely, ready for the chassis.
All right, drums on. Now for the springs. Keep the tension right. Good, secure. All right, slowly now. Watch the fender there. Perfect. Take up the slack. Margins. With the radiator in place, we carefully position the lower hose, ensuring the perfect fit. Then the clamp.
All right, these hangers look solid.
Yeah, they're perfectly aligned. Just need to double check the torque on this last manifold bolt.
Nice work, SK. She's ready to fire up.
The electrical life of this '59 Cadillac is being restored with precision. Note the loom texture, the connector detail.
After countless hours, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is finally ready to hit the road again.
The steering linkage articulates smoothly. The brakes engage with a firm, confident stop. Precision at work.
Time for the final fluid check.
Yeah,
And now, the adjustment.
yeah.
Ready for its first breath.
Perfectly smooth. Sounds like she's ready.
And here she is, the '59 Caddy, sitting perfect on new shoes. Ready for her interior now.
The heart is strong, the bones are good. Now, just the final touches.
All right, seat frames are rebuilt and aligned, ready for the Cadillac. Perfect tension on these springs.
The details matter. They always have. This is where the magic begins. Slowly, surely.
All right, easy does it. Perfect fit.
All right, lowering the rear seat now. Watch those edges.
Yeah.
Perfect fit. The upholstery looks pristine.
Yeah.
Just need to secure the side trim. Almost done. All right, top edge first. That's it. Perfect fit.
Yeah.
Just need to get these clips aligned and seated.
The full-size 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz returns to luxury. The detailing stage brings rear side. Welcome back. We're at the interior detailing stage of this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. Take a look at this. After countless hours, the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz is ready. Take a look at this masterpiece. Welcome back. Today we're installing the final pieces on the '59 Eldorado Biarritz. Watch as these intricate chrome elements settle into place, completing the rear end.
The final step is always the most rewarding. Watching these lines come alive against the fresh paint.
The windshield fits perfectly. With this final trim, the Biarritz is almost ready to roll out. Another beauty done right. Almost there. Perfection. Just a final touch.
If this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz in shiny white brought you peace, stay with us for the next restoration.
Subscribe for more honest restorations like this 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, and let the next classic come back to life.